What's up, everyone? It's your girl Anne, and let's get real for a second. You're scrolling through your phone, watching your favorite creators, a little voice in your head whispers, "Hey, I could totally do that." Well, guess what? That voice is 100% correct. We're living in an amazing time where your passion, your weird hobbies, your amazing personality, all of it can become your career. Making content isn't just a side hustle anymore. It's a legitimate path to building a business, connecting with people all over the world, and yes, making some serious bank. Forget the old school 9-to-5 grind. Your new office can be your bedroom, your living room, or anywhere you have a phone and a good idea. I'm here to tell you that the dream of being a full-time creator is more achievable now than ever before. But let's be honest, it's not just about pointing a camera at your face and hoping for the best. It takes hustle, a solid strategy, and knowing where to put your energy. Think of it like a video game. You wouldn't just run into the final boss battle without leveling up, right? You need to understand the map, collect the right power-ups, and figure out the best moves. This guide is your cheat code. We're going to break down exactly how you can turn your creative spark into a steady income stream and build an empire of your own. All right, let's talk about the OG, the king of video, the one and only, YouTube. This is the platform where so many of us got our start, and it's still a powerhouse for making money. The primary way you earn here is through the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start running ads on your videos. Think of it as a little commercial break that puts money directly into your pocket. Every time someone watches an ad before your video during your video, the more views you get, the more money you make. It's that simple, but it's just the beginning of what YouTube offers. But wait, there's more. YouTube has really stepped up its game to help creators earn directly from their biggest fans. You can turn on channel memberships, where your subscribers pay a monthly fee for special perks like custom emojis, exclusive videos, early access to content. It's like having your own VIP club. Then there's Super Chat Super Stickers during live streams, where viewers can pay to have their comments highlighted. It's a fun way for your community to show their love and support you in real time. These features create a direct line between you and your audience, making your income more stable and predictable. Beyond YouTube's built-in tools, this is where you become a real business owner. Let's get into the world of live streaming, where the energy is high and the connection with your audience is immediate. For years, Twitch has been the undisputed champion of this space, especially for gamers. The main way to earn on Twitch is through their affiliate program and through their partner program. Once you qualify, viewers can subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee, giving them ad-free viewing and special emotes. This is your bread and butter. You also earn from bits, which are virtual cheers that viewers can buy and use in your chat. Now, enter the new challenger, Kick. This platform stormed onto the scene and made waves by offering something creators have been begging for: a better revenue split. Kick's standout feature is its incredible 95-to-5 subscription split. That's right, you keep 95% of the money from your subscribers. This is a massive game changer and has attracted a ton of streamers looking to maximize their income. For creators who are just starting out or those with a dedicated community, this difference in pay can mean the world. Twitch has the legacy, the larger user base, and a more established ecosystem with tons of third-party tools. It's a proven giant. If you're looking for the biggest possible audience and brand recognition, Twitch is still a powerful choice. However, if your main goal is to maximize your direct earnings from your community, Kick is an incredibly attractive option. The 95-to-5 split is simply unbeatable. Many creators are even streaming on both platforms to take advantage of each one's strengths. The bottom line is, the live streaming world is more competitive than ever, and that competition is amazing news for you, the creator. Now let's explore the visual powerhouses that can skyrocket your brand deals and viral potential. Let's switch gears to the fast-paced, visually driven world of Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. These platforms are all about capturing attention quickly with stunning images and short, addictive videos. On Instagram, you have a whole toolbox for making money. Instagram subscriptions, badges for Instagram Live, brand deals on Instagram. Then you have the absolute phenomenon that is TikTok. TikTok's algorithm can make anyone go viral overnight. Creator Fund. Now Creativity Program Beta. Payouts are lower than YouTube, but huge view counts can make up for it. Viral exposure is where the real money often comes from. Viral videos drive brand deals, traffic to other platforms, and sell merch. Don't sleep on Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine with a long content lifespan. A single pin can drive traffic to your blog. A single pin can drive traffic to your online shop. A single pin can drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Make money with affiliate links on pins. Land brand partnerships through Pinterest. Niches, DIY, niches, fashion, niches, home decor, niches, food. Brands love Pinterest because users are there to shop and get inspired. Key strengths: TikTok, ace discovery and viral trends. Instagram, ace community building and lifestyle. Pinterest eats long-term traffic and sales. Use TikTok to grab attention. Use Instagram to nurture and get brand deals. Use Pinterest as a steady engine for sales. Use all three together to capture attention, build community, and drive sales from your phone. Okay, let's talk about building your own kingdom. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok, but you're still playing in someone else's sandbox. Their rules, their algorithms. What if you could have a direct, unbreakable connection with your most loyal fans? That's where Patreon comes in. Patreon is a membership platform that lets your fans, your patrons, pay you a monthly subscription fee in exchange for exclusive content and perks. You get to decide the tiers and the rewards. It could be anything from early access to videos, a monthly QA session, a shout-out in your content, or even physical merch. You need to know about Substack. This platform makes it incredibly simple to start a paid newsletter. Think of it as your own personal magazine that gets delivered directly to your subscribers' inboxes. You can offer a mix of free and paid posts. Your free posts help you attract new readers, while your paid subscription gives your most dedicated followers access to your premium articles, deep dives, and exclusive insights. Substack handles all the tech and payment processing, so you can focus on what you do best, writing. Just like Patreon, Substack is about leveraging your expertise and building a direct financial relationship with your audience. People are willing to pay for high-quality, curated content that they can't get anywhere else. If you can provide real value, whether it's through insightful analysis, expert advice, or compelling storytelling, you can build a thriving subscription business. It's a powerful way to monetize your knowledge and your voice. Both Patreon and Substack empower you to own your audience. So we've covered all these amazing platforms, but how do you put it all together? The secret sauce is diversifying your income streams. Never, ever rely on just one source of money. The algorithm can change, a platform can lose popularity, your ad revenue can dip. You need to build a business, not just a channel. YouTube ads, Twitch subs, Patreon members, affiliate links, brand deals, merch sales. When one is slow, the others can hold you up. This is how you go from hobbyist to pro. The next key strategy is to match the platform to your strengths. Amazing speaker? Twitch or Kick? Fantastic writer? Substack. Great eye for aesthetics? TikTok. Instagram Reels. You don't have to be everywhere at once. It's better to be amazing on 2 platforms than to be mediocre on 6. Figure out what you genuinely enjoy creating and where your natural talents lie. Start there. You can always expand later. One of the most powerful moves you can make is to drive your audience between platforms. Your platforms should work together as a team. If you want more tips on how to build your empire, hit that follow button and stick around. We're in this together. You can do this. The world of content creation isn't reserved for a select few. Every single successful creator you admire started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. Consistency, willingness to learn, not being afraid to put themselves out there. Your journey starts now. Be bold, be you, build something incredible.